Hello, hi everybody. Welcome back to our today lecture. Especially we will discuss about the Telangana Residential Education Institutions Recruitment Board. Especially we will talk about the JL chemistry, the complete information, what are the syllabus and what are the important bits and what are the exam pattern. These things we will discuss today class very briefly. So simply we'll call TREI-RB means Telangana Residential Education Institution Recruitment Board. The recently notification was announced and the coming soon they are closing the applications form. Regarding these issues, we will discuss what are the exam pattern syllabus in slide by slide. So this is that you can see the complete information of the TREI-RB-J.L chemistry in complete information. You can see here now first slide what are the pattern for the applying of TREI-RB Telangana Residential Education Institution Recruitment Board. First you need to go here for one time registration for the TS curriculum post recruitment, then after you will get you some application OT or registration. Then after you will go for sign up. First you will new registration, then after go for sign up, then after payment, then after application, then after you can take your printout. This is the actual steps for the application, how to fill the JL chemistry in residential educations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps are here to firstly initially to applying the applications. Then you can see here the important dates. The application starts from the April 17th 2023 and the last date of submission is 17th May 2023. So actually today is the 13th date. So the 17th is going to stop the submission of application for JL, especially in residential school. And the another one thing is you can see here what are the chemistry vacancies in zonal wise. Multi-zonal wise, zonal 1, multi-zonal 2 and total vacancies. General boys chemistry and women's chemistry. You can see general boys chemistry is total 54 are vacancies in multi-zone and the women's for the 56 total is 110 and the general boys for the multi-zone 2 47 and women's are the 50 total is 97. So boys for have total see like applications posters are 101 and girls is 106, total is the 207. So 207 is the total vacancies for the JL chemistry post. And you can see next one is the what is the detailed vacancies in the JL positions. You can see here the name of the institutions like the junior lecturer. They have the 3 categories of the institutions participating in this entrance exam. Like in this exams, post recruitment exam, the social welfare residential education institution society vacancies is 253 and the Telangana tribal welfare residential education institution society is at 232 and Mahatma Jyoti Phule Telangana backward classes welfare residential education institution society 11045. So this is the pay scales and this is the age relaxation. These are the 3 societies involving in the junior lecturer and various posts and vacancies. And you can see what is the qualification for the JL chemistry. You can see here junior lecturer, the academic qualification is the postgraduate degree in subject concern at at least 50% marks aggregate from the university recognized by UGC. Or in case of SC, ST, OBC or physical handicapped candidate can minimum marks is the 45. And you should have compulsory the BEd, Bachelor of Education in concern methodology, either physical science, biological science, Telugu concerns. And especially you can see here the for junior lecturer in chemistry, the MSc chemistry, inorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry, nuclear chemistry, organic chemistry, physical chemistry, environmental chemistry and mineral chemistry, fertilizer and agrochemicals, phytochemistry and forest products, chemistry of food, drugs and synthetic chemistry Applied Chemistry, Associate SIFS exam in Chemistry and Medicinal Chemistry of Usmania. The provide these candidates should have studied the chemistry subject at a BSc level, like BSc level. So these are the educational qualification for especially for JL Chemistry, Junior Lecturer Chemistry. Now we'll talk here what are the districts comes under the multiple zone 1, multiple zone 2. You can see here various districts are, these districts are come under the multi-zone 1 and this is the multi-zone 2 districts like Medchal and Hyderabad, Rangareddy, Surapeta, Bonagiri. These are the districts comes under the multi-zone 2, various districts in state level, statewide. And you can see here the what is the scheme of examination for junior lecturer. Actually, what is the exam for especially junior lecturer? There are the 3 papers in to regarding junior college lecturer. Paper 1 is the general studies, general abilities, basic proficiency in English. They ask 100 questions, 120 minutes, marks is 100 marks, means each question carry 1 marks. Then pedagogy of concerned subject, 100 bits, 120 minutes, 100 marks. Concerned subject PG level, 100 bits, 120 minutes and 100 marks. And demonstration like interview, they have a 25 marks. So overall the total marks is 325 marks. This is the actual JL selection exam pattern of the junior college lecturer for residential schools. Okay, this is the 4 papers. One is the demonstration 25 marks, oral guys 325 marks. Okay, then you can see what are the syllabus of the paper 1. Paper 1 means the syllabus is general studies, general abilities, basic proficiency in English. You can see the section 1 general studies, current affairs, regional, national and international affairs, Indian constitutions, Indian political system, governance and public policy, and social exclusions, right issues such as the genders, caste, tribe, disabilities, etc. and exclusive the policies also. Society, culture, civilization, heritage, arts and literature of India and Telangana. General science, India's achievements in science and technology. The bits will come mostly from these sections. Environmental issues, disaster management, prevention and mitigations, strategies and sustainable development. Okay, these are the general studies syllabus content. And you can see the 7th one also, economics and social development of India and Telangana. Socio-economics, political, cultural history of Telangana with special emphasis on Telangana statehood movement and formation of Telangana state. The section 2, general abilities like analytical abilities, nothing but of logical reasoning, data interpretation, moral values and professional ethics and education, teaching aptitude. These are the general ability. The last one is the section 3, is the basic proficiency in English. So school level English grammars, they will ask what are the articles where it is used, tenses, present tense, past tense, future tense, perfect tense, noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, what is verb, modals and subject verb agreements, non-fitness, reported speech, degree of comparison, active voice and passive voice, preposition, conjunction and conditions. Next, vocabulary, synonyms, antonyms, phrasal verbs, related pairs of words, idioms, phrases and proverbs. These are the some basic proficiency in English section. And I can see someone is there here, word sentence. They will ask you in word sentence, use of words, choosing appropriate words and words often confused sentence and arrangement of completion and the improvement transformation of sentence, comprehensive punctuations and spelling test and spotting of error bits. Then you can see here next one is the paper 2, pedagogy of chemistry. So suppose if you are applying the junior lecturer chemistry, They will ask you second paper pedagogy of chemistry. You can see the 10 syllabus, 10 topics are there. You can see the nature of physical and historical development of contribution, important of physics, chemist, school level textbooks, values, aims and objective of teaching physical science in curriculum construction, organizing development, approaches, planning effective, and these learning, reduce measurement learning. Then you can go for paper 3 is the again chemistry, main core of the chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry and organic chemistry bits will come from PG level. You can see here these are the few organic, inorganic chemistry syllabus, atomic structure and chemistry of main group elements, chemistry of transition element, general periodic tables and metallurgies and coordination chemistry, stability of metal complex compound and reaction mechanism of metals. And you can see these are the analytical chemistry, chromatography techniques and bioinorganic chemistry, metal carbonyl, compound structure of bonding. You can go for the physical chemistry solutions like cognitive properties, types of solutions, solid liquid states, and then you can see the acids and base lessons, and you can see here thermodynamic electrochemistry, and you can see quantum chemistry and the chemistry of kinetics, photochemistry. They will ask you various bits, solid state chemistry, and then you go for organic chemistry, classification of IPS, amine culture like isomers and classification of preparation properties, alkene, stereochemistry. Then after introduction of isomers, nature of bonding, organic molecules, reactive intermediates, organic reactions, oxidative and heterocyclic chemistry, alkaloids, terpenine classes, organic photochemistry, pericyclic reaction, basics of principle of spectroscopy, IR, UV, NMR, mass spectroscopy and UV spectroscopy, proton NMR, C13 NMR, mass spectroscopy. Spectroscopies are very important. They will ask you. Then green chemistry, principle of green chemistry and its approaches. These are the some organic chemistry syllabus main topics. You can go in detail in PG levels from intermediate to degree and PG levels. You can collect all books and read the point to point, and you will get you some brief. Prepare your own question paper. Then you will go for the some important bits. I was makes very simple important bits. You can see the alkoxy group in benzene is dash. Orthodirecting, paradirecting, ortho and paradirecting and metadirecting. The alkoxy group is in benzene always ortho and paradirecting. This is the right answer. Second one bit, the shape of the CIF3 is dash. Trigonal planar, T shape or the tetrahedral or linear. So T shape is the right answer. You can see the third one bit, which of the following example fibrous protein, callagene is the right answer. Smallest unit of element is atom, paramanu. And you can go for the distance between the two adjacent and crescent thought is called wavelength. The distance traveled by the wave in a 1 second is called velocity. So this is the right answer. What is the black body nature? Seventh one bit is the both perfect absorption and perfect emitter. The unit of frequency is hertz. Then after the number of waves passed through the point is 1 second is called frequency. Okay. And the 10th bit is the isomers are compounds having the same molecular formula but different structural formulas. This is the right answer. And you can see here like next one bit, 11th one bit, areneous acids are turns blue litmus to red litmus. This bit is very important. The previous various competitive exams are repeated. And hydroxycity is a dash. Hydrogen number of hydroxy ions furnished in solution, that is called hydroxycity is. And next one you can see what is hypo. The right answer is C. Sodium thiosulfite is called hypo. The compound used in photography is sodium thiosulfate. Right answer is D. Then you can see greenhouse effect leads to global warming. Which substance are responsible for greenhouse effect? So greenhouse effect is caused by the trapping of heat, greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, ozone and chlorofluorocarbon, CFC. These are the main theme, main concept, main substance for the greenhouse effect. And another one bit is they mostly ask you, and acid rains how it will happen.